Hey, Michael Church, Crawl Space Ninja. I am with Doug, and Doug is here to look at the Crawl Space Ninja opportunity, and we thought we'd ask him, why are you here checking out Crawl Space Ninja for business opportunity? Stay tuned. So I really appreciate you coming out and hanging out. This is, just so all of you know, this is the crawl space that we redid, the $25,000 redo. So I'm going to put a link to that below if you want to see what this crawl space looked like before. But I'm just curious, what do you think about this this crawl space that you're sitting in?
Yeah, you and I were just talking. I didn't know this was even possible or existed. In my experience with crawl spaces and vapor barriers, were just tarps laid down, and this is like a whole different level. It's I've never seen anything like this, honestly.
Well, that's great. Well, thank you. And I didn't pay him to say any of that. So, we got Lee, and we got Kayla, and we got Pedro, and even Miranda is over there. That's Doug's wife. So I just wanted to make sure she gets mentioned in the video. See. So anyway, tell us a little bit about what led you to even check out this opportunity, because I gotta be honest, when we started many years ago, I never thought we would get to this level of where we have people from all over the country interested in our opportunity. So if you don't mind sharing a little bit about that and why you chose to come here and check us out.
Yeah, sure. I guess I'm a little different too, in that I'm 100 years old, and I didn't just start a career yesterday, but I had a unique opportunity to retire with my company and have kids little enough that sitting at home all day was probably not going to be fun for anyone, including my wife. So I think that, as I was looking at franchise opportunities, look, I've started 3 businesses. I've sold a business. I've bought other businesses with the company I'm leaving. And so I have familiarity with starting and buying and selling businesses. What I hadn't had experience with was much franchising. So in going through somewhat of a search and having a friend to help guide me through that, man, Michael, I've looked at a bunch, all kinds of businesses. And in fact, now I think we were laughing the other day, or earlier today, about now I feel like every business is a franchise.
Right.
I'm looking around, but looking at what seems like hundreds of them, this one stood out for probably a handful of reasons, but certainly not the least of which is you. A lot of the franchises you were so far removed from. I was so far removed from the people that started the business, and to have access to you, your team, everybody's been awesome, hospitable, showing us around. That was a unique opportunity relative to other franchises. So that's probably where it starts, and then obviously there's a lot of other ancillary things under that I think have been very interesting. Again, I had no idea any of this was even possible. I like the idea that probably people have no idea what's under their house.
Right.
So to be able to share that with them, and I think I said to you on the call before I got here that there's the what you do, which is great. This is it, but you seem to have a deeper passion for why we do it, and the why, which is improving people's air quality in life, and breathable air in their house, and long-term investments, and all that seems to be really good stuff.
That's great. Well, and you brought up a good point. A lot of people maybe that are interested in our opportunity may think, oh, well, I don't have a construction background, or I've never done handyman work or anything like that. But as you said, you come from a business background, and you don't have to know how to do that sort of thing, because we teach you how to do all of that. We teach you the day-to-day operations, but if you've got a business background and you're good with numbers and you're good at leading people and you're good at managing, that's the kind of person that's going to be very successful in a business opportunity like this. Because I honestly was not involved in the trades, or didn't grow up in construction or anything like that, and I think that's why we have a different outlook on how we handle crawl spaces, because we're more customer service focused. Fixing the crawl space is one thing, but also making it an enjoyable process is also very important, and making sure you take care of your people and your customers is always first for us. So Anything else that you feel like they may want to know about?
Well, I'm going to hold you to that. We'll teach you everything you need to know about under a house part.
Well, it may not be me. We'll have someone teach it. No, I'm just kidding.
Good, yeah.
I'm just kidding.
That is true, though. I don't have any. I have some background, but certainly not enough to understand fully everything that's going on. So I appreciate the opportunity to learn more.
Well, that's great. Well, we appreciate you doing this video with us, and I just thought, if you're out there in YouTube and you're interested in, we're doing what's called a Discovery Day. I'm going to put a link down below if you're interested in learning more about our opportunity. It's franchise.crawlspaceninja.com. And my name is Michael Church with Crawlspace Ninja, and we hope you make it a happy and blessed day. We'll see you later.